Okay, so welcome back to Ford to Ferrari for another episode with the MX5. Now, you'll notice I've just finished the lowering of the car with the spacers and everything like that, and I decided, you know what, while I'm here, I'm going to do the upgrade to the stereo system. So I already did that with some Pioneers, some little 8-inch Pioneers, but they're just not doing what I need them to do. So what I've gone and done is I've bought some decent, what are they? I think they're 7x5s, and hopefully these give me the bass that I'm looking for. Because with these cars we can only really rely on the door speakers and the little tweeters. I have the ones behind my head, but I believe they're just tweeters as well, so I don't really get great sound. So what I've done is I've actually bought these. Let me turn this around and show you. So what I've got is a set of JBLs. These ones here, they've got the rigid bass speaker, so the freeway I believe, coaxial. And then I've gone and got these Pheonix Gold 1-inch, I think 20mm silk dome tweeters. So this combination, I'm hoping, because I do have the stereo upgrade, I've got that Android unit in there, so hopefully with that and these together, this should improve the sound a lot more. What I'll do now, I'll turn this stereo system on, and I don't know if we'll be able to notice a huge difference with how this picks up the stereo. Right, let me do that now. Okay, so I'm inside the car now. I'll just get the stereo on. Yeah, I've actually put this short boss on here now. As you can see, that is the perfect depth. Now the indicators are just there, so that's perfect. Right, let's start this up and see what she sounds like for the before. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, so I won't play anymore due to copyright reasons, but yeah, it goes, you know, it's got some bass there, but when you take it up high, it just all gets all distorted. These are too hissy, so let's change these over and hopefully improve the audio. I'm going to crack on with that now. Right, so quick update on how the stereo, the speakers for the stereo install is going. This was a direct fit. I'm so happy with that. You saw on the box earlier, 7x5s, JBLs, so they should give me the bass that I hunger for. And the Pheonix Gold tweeters, I managed to actually use the old bracket to hold them in. They're quite a little bit larger. Phil, have you got one of the tweeters there and the old one, so I can just do a comparison? Yeah, so this is the new ones, the Pheonix Gold ones. If it would actually let me focus on it, that would be handy. Come on, camera. There we go. Yeah, so that's that one. And this is the comparison to the other one. So that should give me a lot better sound. Less like hissy. I mean, that's the plan anyway. So I'm going to wire these up now, and I'll give you the first play. See you in a bit. Okay, so you catch me back in the car. Now I've installed all those. You can see them just peeking out through the grills there. And now for the first listen. Oh. Oh. Yeah, the bass is a lot better, isn't it? Now I've got the equalizer, so definite improvement, definite. I'm going to play around with the settings a bit more, and that is a win. I really like that. That does sound good, doesn't it? With the roof down, that'll even sound better. So yeah, again, another success. I'm just having a real good succession of successes at the moment. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so that's an end to another episode. That one's short and sweet, just the stereo install, and this car is actually becoming perfect. I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm gonna wrap this one up. Again, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up if you're enjoying it, and hit that notification bell. And yeah, I hope to see you guys at some car meets, because all this, you know, you don't really catch it all on film, but it's actually really starting to come together now. So yeah, happy days. Right, catch you on the next one. See ya.